CCI, Crash Course Instrumentation, presents Episode 18, Bends, Vibration Loops, and Wiring Hygiene, a practical wrap-up, hook and promise. Great measurements start with great techniques. By the end of this episode, you will know how to bend tube without kinks, add vibration and expansion loops that protect fittings, prepare clean ends that actually seal, and route wiring so signals stay quiet. That's quick terms and fast IDs. Minimum bend radius shows the smallest safe bend for a given tube or cable before flattening or stress damage. Vibration expansion loop equals a gentle U or coil-shaped section that absorbs motion and thermal growth. DIN rail is a standardized metal rail that holds terminal blocks and small devices neatly. Twisted pair equals two conductors twisted together to cancel noise for differential signals. Shield and one-end ground equals a conductive wrap tied to ground at one end to drain noise without creating a loop. In roadmap, smart bends and minimum radius. Vibration and thermal loops with proper supports. Cutting, deburring, cleaning, and labeling. Wiring hygiene. Separation, shielding, and grounding. Quick troubleshooting, safety, and history. Bend basics. Clean, strong, repeatable. Use the right bender for the tube size. Check the tool's radius so you stay at or above the minimum recommended bend. Make one smooth pull. Do not jerk. Kinks, flats, and wrinkles restrict flow and trap bubbles. Avoid re-bending at the same spot. If you must adjust, spread the correction over a longer section. Plan your route first. Keep bends parallel or orthogonal to walls and panels so layouts look intentional and are easy to trace. Certain vibration and thermal loops protect the fittings. Add a small loop near vibrating equipment or places that heat and cool. Let the loop flex so the ferrules and seals do not. Support the run before and after the loop so motion concentrates where you intend. Keep loops clear of hot surfaces and sharp edges. Keep visibility for inspections and leak checks. For impulse lines, respect slope. Liquids prefer downward slope toward the instrument. Gases prefer upward slope. Avoid pockets that trap the wrong phase. Cut, deburr, clean, and label. Tiny habits, big results. Cut square with a sharp tube cutter. Deburr inside and outside. Even tiny burrs scar ferrules and create micro leaks. Wipe the tube and fitting parts before assembly. Clean, metal seals better. Label the line and flow direction. Leave a tidy buddy tag tail on tape so the next tech can remove it easily. Cap or plug open lines during work to keep grit out. A minute saved now costs hours later if debris reaches the instrument. And wiring hygiene. Quiet signals, happy instruments. Separate power and signal. If they must cross, cross at right angles. Use twisted pairs for differential signals. Use shielded cable for noisy areas. And bond the shield at one end only unless the specification says otherwise. Avoid daisy chaining shields across many devices. Land shields on a clean ground point to prevent ground loops. Dress cables neatly on DIN rail and in trays. Do not crush insulation with overtight zip ties. Leave drip loops where moisture is possible. Keep analog, digital, and high current circuits in their own lanes whenever you can. Clear routes make troubleshooting faster and safer. Quick troubleshooting when readings look weird. Hum or jitter in signals suggests coupling from power lines. Check separation and shield terminations first. Random spikes can be poor grounds or loose drain wires. Secure and re-land terminations. Slow or drifting measurements may be bubbles or plugged impulse lines. Blow down per procedure and verify slope. Intermittent faults after maintenance, often traced to overtight zip ties, bent near the connector, or a missing shield bond. Relieve strain and re-terminate. And safety notes. Lock out energy sources before you cut or move tubing or cable. Verify zero energy with gauges and meters. Wear eye and hand protection when cutting or reaming. Metal shards and cleaner residue are hazards. Use rated glands and enclosures where required. Strain relief matters. Do not let weight hang from terminations. History moment. As plants adopted digital controls and networking in the late 20th century, noisy cabling and sloppy routing started showing up as data problems instead of obvious shorts. Clear separation rules, twisted pairs, and proper shielding evolved to keep signals clean, while fiber and field networks took over the backbone. And quick recap. Respect minimum bend radius. Smooth bends beat kinks every time. Add supported vibration expansion loops so fittings live a long life. Cut, deburr, clean, cap open lines, and label flow direction. Separate power and signals. Twist, shield, and ground smartly for quiet measurements. Chapter Wrap and Credits. Chapter 8, Wrap. You now know flanges, threads, sanitary joints, ferrules, bends, and wiring hygiene, the craft behind trustworthy measurements. Special thanks to Tony Kupalt and the open source community. Crash Course Instrumentation stands on your shoulders. If this helped, please like and subscribe and tell us what hands-on topic you want next.